So this video will be about installing the LAMIN-X headlight cover. It's basically just a film that goes over your light. It's not for the main lights, for the outer lights. Again, I have my piece off so you can see the smoke compared to the white. Again, these are LEDs, so they're going to be bright no matter what. But the smoke looks really good. Again, I got the grill inserts in the background of it. And since I had the bike torn apart, I thought, well, might as well install these. Now, these can probably be installed with the light on, but I'm taking the light off. It's only 4 screws that pull the thing off, or I have the cowl off. And so this is what this video will be about. All right, I'm going to go ahead and take this back off and put it back on when I get done. I think I'm going to tape it a little differently anyway, but you get the gist. Double-sided tape, a little vent, pop it on. Like I said, there's 4 screws. There's one here. There's one in here. There's one up here, and there's one right here too. So there's 4 screws. Good. Again, the thing about this, I guess smoke gray, whatever it is, it's actually like a sticker. And this is exactly what we're going to be installing here. This literally just swings right on out of here like this. And it's that simple. All right, to the next steps. Sorry about the mess. I got multiple things going on with this Challenger, so I'm trying to get them all done. Anyway, so this is the LAMIN-X sticker. Basically, that's what it really is. I'm going to kind of place it in position. Just like you would do any other vinyl sticker. Kind of set it up. Now, I've already pre-cleaned this light. And you can reposition it a couple times over like this. I'll just start right here. I'll give you a tab so you don't have to get it dirty. So I'll get the first one in position. It's pretty good right there. Not perfect science. All right, now, since I've got that kind of set, take the rest of the backing off. Kind of layer in position. And then put her on down. And just kind of I'm using my thumbs, so I think it's easier with the light out. But again, you could do this with the light in, I'm sure. And since I really don't like these tabs, I'm gonna cut them off. I'm gonna cut these little tab deals off. All right, so you got the light all done. Pop that baby in. All you have to do is kind of pray up on this just a hair, and she'll sit right back on in there. Again, the product is LAMIN-X. I think they're out of Canada. And shipping was pretty quick, if I remember right. And yeah, just need a small little more custom piece on the Challenger. All right, I'm sure you guys can figure out how to put screws in. So until next time, do the next video.